You ready?
Yeah. What's up, guys? We're back with another banger. As you can see.
Nope. Start over. You missed the most important element of recording these videos.
What? Can you subscribe?
What's good, y'all? King Times 2 here, back with another video. This time around, we got a quick unboxing to do for you guys. This is also something new that we haven't done on the channel yet. What we have here?
A mystery box from
Exotic Snack Guys. So yeah, they actually got a shop out there in South Ridge.
Yeah, and we got this Prime.
Yep,
WWD.
got the WWE Prime too. But yeah, so this Exotic Snack Guys, they got tons of just random snacks that just taste like some everything. What'd you get from there the other day?
I got
Korean barbecue, Korean ribs or something like that.
Korean sour cream and chives. It was kind of weird.
Yeah, so we had I had the jalapeno popper Doritos, and man, they were actually pretty good too. Like they really captured the flavor.
Salt and vinegar. These smell like salt and vinegar.
Yep. So yeah, mystery box, we got it from our channel sponsor. So thank you, Sonny, for the mystery box. If you guys got anything y'all want us to do a review on, feel free to let us know. Send it to us, or you know what I mean, send a link and we'll copy it ourselves. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Let's see what we have here. $25 mystery box from the Snack Guys. About to cut somebody. All right. They don't require all that. Let me flip. Yeah, give him some knife training. The box felt kind of light. Not really sure if it was really worth $25. Is it worth $25? What do we have here? Let's see. Oh, it's just cheddar cheese. Some cheddar cheese lays, the taste of England.
That sounds weird.
It's probably just like everything else. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going. And then we'll do a little taste tester right afterwards. Fiery lime. Maybe Takis. They look like Takis.
Yeah. Open them.
Guys, those. We're just gonna pull everything out the box first.
Ooh, we got warheads.
Is it actual warheads or is it Okay. Oh, we got some
Fanta.
dragon fruit Fanta. That's probably fire. Don't you wanna Fanta? Then lastly we got some Kit Kats. I was really hoping that they put a sticker in the box, because that'd be fire to have a nice little sticker. That's a cool sticker too here. But yeah, so we got, what is these? Just regular Kit Kats?
Yeah.
Let me see.
But it's like, what you call it? Like
NHL? National hockey? Yeah. I mean, that's kind of fire. That would be a dope little hockey jersey too, actually. Kit Kat jersey. And then we got the strawberries and cream.
I'm trying these too.
Hershey's. So yeah, what do you want to try first?
Any money.
How are you playing? I'm gonna just get into it. Almost like cheesy cheese.
Yeah.
Smell like somebody's butt.
3, 2, 1.
I mean,
It's not that bad.
it definitely tastes different. Like it's missing something. What's it missing?
Like actual
Salt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think salt is missing. These taste of England. I mean,
alright.
I don't know. Yeah. Okay, what's next? Let's try the other chips next. Looks like some Takis.
Can you pass me that water just in case? Ooh, what these? Oh.
Smell good.
Hi.
These chips is nasty. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That spice kind of like hit my nose. And it is crazy sour too.
Honey.
Oh, we back in the day, we used to get some corn nuts from one of them fundraisers, but they would be lime or something, and yeah, this tastes just like that. But these is actually pretty spicy.
Kit Kats.
I don't think those are anything special. Ooh, them ones is spicy.
That's why I'm moving on to the Kit Kats.
I see. I only had 2 and my whole mouth's burning.
I only had 1.
I don't think I'm gonna try the Kit Kat. But I am gonna try the strawberries and cream Hershey's. These are actually.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
It's a regular Kit Kat. Yeah, these Hershey's are my favorite. The cookies and cream ones. I mean, I don't be out here eating candy like that, but if I do eat candy, it'll be a 3 Musketeers. Or one of these. This actually smells really good. Oh, it's broke. That smells fire though. That's kind of cool. They got the little cones on them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how they break too. Yeah. Nice little triangles.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
I like the little crunchies in there. That's kind of fire. I ain't gonna lie, that's really fire. I like that. You ain't messing with it? Yeah. I'm gonna have to freeze it and save some.
I don't really like that, like strawberry taste to it. Next, warheads. I'm scared.
Oh, it's supposed to be real sour, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yep.
It literally said sour.
We should have put it in. Oh, well, I didn't know there was anything that need to be refrigerated, but probably good cold.
Ooh, it's blue.
All right, let's see what it is.
Smell like blue.
Come on. Is it sour?
No, it really isn't.
It is sour. That ain't bad though.
Next, prime.
Yeah, that warhead soda is a little lackluster.
It smells like one of them that had.
Oh look, it's just Meta Moon.
Oh. It tastes like a whole bunch of Skittles in your mouth.
Yeah, Meta Moon Prime.
That's the one that my dad really likes.
Sorry.
This is my first time trying Fanta. I know two that I'm gonna eat is the Kit Kat and the chips. The first one.
It smells kind of good. Red Dragon Fruit Fanta. Let's see what it's about. Kind of tastes like one of them primes you have. I ain't too much messing with that either. I don't really be drinking soda, just straight water and tea, and that's about it.
These are my two that I'm gonna snack on.
Alright, well yeah. I do know that store is a bit pricey. Yeah, it is. So would you go to, if you went to the store, bought 2 bags of chips, 2 candy bars, 2 sodas, 3 sodas, you shouldn't spend $25 on that. It should be probably like maybe 15.
That's because it's different and rare.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the store is a little expensive. That was a quick, cool little unboxing for you guys from the exotic store. I do want to go back and get some other stuff because, like, I mean, really, even this.
They had a $50 one.
Yeah, they got a $50 box, but this doesn't even scratch the surface of what they had there. And then also, we got to go to the website and see what they have on there too. I'm pretty sure they got tons of other stuff that, you know what I mean, we didn't even pick up. So, yeah, shout out to.
They did have Korean rib ones.
Shout out to the exotic snack guys. You got anything else you want to say? All right, y'all. That was it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. King Times 2. We out.